The 17th play, which is on folio 30 recto, is, as far as I can tell, almost indistinguishable from the 14th play, which is also very, very like the 6th play. So the only real difference is it's clearly shown a grip on the wrist and her sword is now basically vertical. Yeah, so whatever has been done ideally against the sword handle. Is very, very similar to a dagger disarm. So you're shooting up underneath and rolling using the forearm to push the handle of the sword away from you. And that is the 17th play. And of course the counters to the 14th will work just fine against the 17th if they're done with that turn in good time. Fiore doesn't say that, but it's fairly straightforward. Lefties, again, so if you're cross-handed, you could, I suppose, do that, and it's not wrong, it just doesn't feel very good. So again, left-handers, you're generally going to want to go for a push or a grip. You're not going to do anything fancy down here, because if you're cross-handed, so if you were left-handed and I was right-handed, same problem. So if you're cross-handed, that's not going to give you much, that's going to give you more. And an elbow push will also help. But generally speaking, rather than doing these rappy type things, we just grab on the inside.